message is transmitted by Red. This video will contain valid emergency alert tones. The creator is not responsible for any of these tones. It is extremely important that you don't be stupid and play the video in the air, because it will cause massive panicking and confusion. Red does not own any tones, music, or clips in this scenario, but anyways, get some pizza or McDonald's in. Enjoy watching.
This is WFTV serving the city of Orlando. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your morning news. The weather for today is going to be a beautiful sunny day. Temperatures will be in the 60s. And now for the top stories. I am now replacing Paul Carter because he was killed after Jumbo Josh killed him. There's a car accident in the highway, but no one was killed. Lastly, reports say that there is a kindergarten named Garten of BanBan that was abandoned and also have the picture of Opila Bird and Jumbo Josh in the poster. It is unknown if new creatures will appear, but I don't think so. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
I can't believe we finally killed Opila Bird and Jumbo Josh.
I know. It feels like we're safe.
I'll get it. That's weird. No one is here.
Hey, you there. I can see you on the cameras.
Who said that?
There's someone in the cameras.
I am so happy to see you. And I need your help with something.
What do you need, sir?
I was looking around and walked into the security room. Then the door closed behind me and I've been stuck inside since. It needs a light blue key card to open, but I don't have it. If I recall correctly, only maintenance workers held the light blue key card. So you're gonna have to go down to the maintenance room and look there.
Don't worry, sir. We will help you.
And we have the location of the maintenance room.
Sweet. Remember, you're looking for a light blue key card. Good luck and thank you.
All right, fellas, let's help this man.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All residents at the city of Orlando, get to your homes immediately. At approximately 10:30 a.m., there have been reports of two unknown creatures were spotted in the Walt Disney theme park, attacking and killing anyone it sees. It has been confirmed that the creatures were the same creatures from yesterday, which are Opila Bird and Jumbo Josh. It is unknown of how they survived, but all residents must get to your homes, lock all doors and windows, barricade any doors or windows at all time. If you see any of the creatures anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
Guys, we got a problem.
What is it this time?
Apparently, the creatures we took care of are now back.
Wait, what?
I thought they were dead.
We will have to deal with them after we free this man.
This is WFTV serving the city of Orlando. I am Charlie Blaze, And this is a breaking news report. Opila Bird and Jumbo Josh are continuing to attacking residents in Orlando. It is unknown on how they survived, but I have more news to share. There is now a third creature helping Opila Bird and Jumbo Josh. The description of the creature was found by resident, but the name is unknown. This creature seems to be a blue spider, with a wide mouth, a long tongue, 3 eyes, and has a black party hat. If you see any of the creatures, call 911 immediately. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
We are here in the maintenance room.
Now let's find that light blue keycard. Wait, there's something up on the ceiling.
It's the blue spider from the news.
Let's get out of here.
There's the light blue keycard.
I'll get it.
He is still chasing us.
Quick, run to the door.
Shut the door.
Thank God we are safe.
Now that we have the light blue keycard, let's go free this man.
And then we will have to deal with the creatures again.
I'll open it.
Wait, that's a boy tied up.
Are you okay?
Run! It's a trap!
Three birds with one stone. I get all of your key cards, I get the perfect specimen, and I don't have to deal with that thing down there. And it's all thanks to you. Oh, come on. I didn't hit you that hard. Or maybe I did. Either way, it's best you take a nap while I prepare for our little surgery.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All residents at the city of Orlando, get to your homes immediately. 4 new creatures were spotted roaming the streets of Orlando, attacking and killing anyone it sees. The description of the creatures are found by residents who were killed by these creatures. The first one seems to be a small purplish woolly spider monkey. The name of the creature is believed to be Captain Fiddles. He attacks his victims by using his gang called the Fiddles Crew. The crew is the similar description of him, but different colors. The second creature seems to be a white teacher, with makeup on and a bell. The name of this creature is believed to be BanBan. She attacks her victim by people of not answering the question about school. The third creature seems to be a yellow snail. The name of this creature is believed to be Slow Celine. She attacks her victim by zooming and squishing people. The fourth creature seems to be a light gray tall monster with a giant face. The name of this creature is believed to be Zophius. If you see the creatures anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Officers, wake up!
Where are we?
We're inside of BanBan's kindergarten.
Wow, thanks for helping us, kid.
What's your name?
Red.
That's a nice name.
Thanks.
So who was that red dude?
His name is BanBan. He is the main mascot of this kindergarten. And I also heard that more creatures have appeared.
Wait, There's more?
Yeah.
This isn't good.
I just realized that we are being surrounded by the Fiddles crew.
What are we going to do?
Don't worry, officers. I have this. Now die!
That was amazing, Red.
Save it for later. Right now, we need to get out of this place.
You're right. Let's go.
Where are we now?
Look, baby chicks. There's 5 pink ones and 1 blue one.
Wait, last time we had 6 eggs for Opila bird.
I think those eggs might have hatched.
Well, let's bring these baby chicks into their nest.
On it.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department and the National Center of Missing Children. An Amber Alert has been issued for the city of Orlando. At approximately 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a child was abducted from his home at the city of Orlando. The child's name is Jonathan Chulo, a white male, 14 years old, 5.4 inches tall, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a red shirt, blue pants, black shoes, a red beanie, and black glasses. He was believed to be abducted by the creatures. We also got word that Captain Fiddles and his crew were successfully been killed, but the rest of the creatures are still out there. If you see the creatures or the child, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
Is something wrong, Red?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure? You look kinda sad.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
Zach, me and Brian have finished putting the baby chicks into their little nest.
Perfect.
Then let's go.
Now who is this?
It's Slow Celine.
What do we do?
Don't move.
Hello?
Now we run. Now we stop.
Where are you hiding? Please, it hurts. I was promised some babies.
Go!
This is WFTV serving the city of Orlando. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is a breaking news report. The child that was abducted by the creatures have still not been found. It was also reported that 3 officers from Orlando has gone missing, which are Officer Zach, Officer Matthew and Officer Brian. The military are on their way to kill these creatures. Wait. I am getting word that the creatures have suddenly disappeared out of nowhere. It is unknown if they will come back again, but all residents are still advised to stay in your homes. Lock all doors and windows in case if the creatures come back. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
This is a strange room.
And there's a cake.
Wait, who's that?
It's BanBan.
You know, on a normal day you'd be standing where I am, behind the safety of this glass. Like you're in a zoo watching some animals. Speaking of zoos, it's almost assembly time, where all the doors open, so we must keep this brief. Look, I'm sorry I hit you, but you gotta understand. I needed something from you that I could only get if you were unconscious, and I was all out of sedatives. If you'd seen me, you wouldn't have trusted me, I know it. But there was one thing I didn't lie to you about, and that's me knowing why you're here. But someone else has them. Someone far stronger than you and me both, that resides deep in the abyss. Oh no, you've gotta go. There is an elevator in Opillabird's walkway. Take it and we'll talk again down there.
What was that noise?
It's Jumbo Josh!
We need to run now.
You've been a bad student.
Who is that white creature?
That's Bambalina.
We need to do something.
I've got an idea. We will set up a trap. Once Bambalina goes to the trap, Jumbo Josh will grab her. Here she comes.
Wow, it actually works.
Let's continue on.
I guess this is the room.
Are you sure going down will help you find them?
Probably.
Then I guess we are going down in the elevator.
No matter what, do not go down there?
That's creepy.